Hi, so this particular video is a continuation video of the previous video that I had created related to creating reports in Data Studio. So I hope you remember that I mentioned a particular template which I was giving away for your usage and how we can use that template. So I forgot to tell about the usage. So let me uh, guide you here that how we can make use of predefined templates for our own usage and how we can uh, fill them up with data. Okay, so you need to go into owned by me first of all, like whichever particular templates are owned by you. And suppose this is one of the template that is there that is owned by you. Okay, so now what you need to do is you can simply open up this template, and now what you need to do is you need to make a copy. So now when you will try to make a copy, then it will ask you for all the existing data sources that are needed for this report. So on the left hand side, we can see that there are three data sources. One is Google Analytics, then Search Console, and third one is also Search Console for one is for site, one is for URL. Okay, so we'll have to provide these particular data sources, okay, in order to change this data all over the report. So suppose we need to create a report for another project which is Bridge Living. Okay, so I'll choose it from here and I'll go to this option which is create data source. Now here I need to select Google Analytics, select Bridge, and select this one. Okay, GA4 we are selecting, select connect and add to the report. Okay, so now again it will ask us, so we can select from here. It will start showing you Google Analytic. It is not showing here. Okay, so here GA4 has started detecting, so we'll select just GA4. Okay, now the second thing is Search Console. So we need to add Search Console. So currently we have selected Search Console for AWA business, but we need to select it for Bridge and Bridgeland. So we'll go here, create data source, and let's go to Search Console, select Bridge and Bridgeland. Okay, Bridge Living, and there are two tables here. One is for site, one is for URL. So first one is sites. Let's select site, and then select web, and then connect. So this is the first one for site. Add to the report, and it is still not detecting. Maybe it will detect. Let's add the other data source also. So let's go to create data source, go to Search Console, Bridge Living, and now we'll select URL, select web, and connect. Okay, so it has started detecting. Okay, and now similarly it has started detecting the other one also. So we'll select this one. Now you need to ensure that one is for site and one is for URL. Okay, so now we'll click on copy report, and it will try to put all the data from Bridge Living accounts to this report. So now we can see that all the data that we are seeing here, you can see here all the Bridge Living data is here. Let's go to second page. The second page is also showing all Bridge Living related data. So it is working properly. Now before we wrap this up, we need to do one more thing. We need to go to this edit option, and first of all we need to change the name now. So we can change the name to Bridge Living, the new project, and here we can change the logo also. So we can select this particular image, and here we'll go to data and we'll try to change this image. So now it will hopefully change it to Bridge. Okay, but Bridge, it is black logo. So what we can do is we can try to change the color of this particular header. Okay, so now we can do this change on the second one also, second page. So for the second page, simply what you can do is copy this, and you can delete this and paste. Okay, simply paste it, and here you can change the color of this particular file just because the logo is not appearing properly. So if you want, you can do one more thing. You can try out and change the overall layout. So theme and layout option is here. So if you want, you can change the layout, theme and layout also, like this one. Okay, so these options are also there, right? You can change it, but I would not recommend you doing it unless it's really necessary. So this way also you can do it, like you can change the layout if necessary. If it's not needed, you can keep it white. So now this is the report for Bridge Living. Now how can you share it with your client? Okay, how can you share it? So in order to share it, you can choose this option of get report link, and here don't copy this default link because it will not work anywhere else. So what you can do is you can go and change the sharing settings, go to manage access and select anyone on the internet can view. Okay, select this option. Now copy this link and save. Okay, copy this link and close it. Now try to open this link in other browser and you will see that you are able to access this particular report. Okay, so it has started working correctly. So this is the first page and this is the second page. Okay, so errors are removed. Now we have refreshed it. Okay, so this way you can share the report. So now the basic understanding here is that like this way we can use templates and we can create SEO report. Now I'll show you one more thing, how we can create a Google ad report. So that thing also I'll show you. And yes, once you are done with this thing, don't press this back button. Always try to go on the home page of Data Studio. So try to go on the home page, and here you will see that the Bridge Living report, AW business reports are already present. Okay, now suppose we need to create a Google Ads overview report. Okay, so we'll choose a particular template from here. So let's go and choose Google Ads. Now from here we can choose one of the templates that we need for showing a particular Google ad performance or data analysis. So here we'll use this option which is Google Ads overview. Okay, so let's see how we can do this thing. And now we'll not do anything. What we'll do is we'll not change the data here. We'll try to make a copy of this. Okay, the same process that we followed. So we'll click on edit and share, and now we'll make a copy of this. So make a copy, and now it will ask you for the Google ad account. So here you can select create a ad data source. Okay, select this option and now go to Google Ads, this one. Now select your particular account for which you want to show. We need to select AW business, so let's select AW business and connect. Now hopefully it should work, because when we make a copy and fetch the data, add to the report. Now let's select. Now we can see a Google Ad account on the top, and hopefully this is the account that is added recently. So let's copy report and hopefully it should work now. This will be reflected. Yeah, so you can see here search ad campaign for startup program. This is the campaign that we were running for AW business only. So now it is correctly taking the data for AW business. Okay, and we can change the logo here. So let's change the logo here to AW business. So we'll select this option and select for AW business. Okay, and this will differentiate this particular account for AW business, and we'll change the name here to Google Ads overview AWE business. Okay, and now we can do the same process. Let's share it, get a report link. So hopefully now you have got the idea that like how we can use Google Data Studio for presenting our data in the form of these infographics or kind of dashboard reports which are easy to understand by client. So this way we can create the reports for both SEO as well as Google Ads, which we are doing, and any other campaign also. Like if we are running any other kind of campaign, that can also be integrated here. So I hope that you must have got the understanding of working of Google Data Studio. Let me wrap it up. So basically, you need to find the template, you need to make a copy, and you need to connect the data sources, load the data sources, and once the data sources are loaded up properly, then you're all ready to share that particular report. Okay, so thank you for being with me, and in case of any doubts, do let me know. Thank you.